Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse where the future of gaming gear meets your fingertips. Today, we're diving deep into one of the lightest, fastest, and most visually striking mice ever made, the Pulsar X2H Mini Wireless Gaming Mouse Limited Red Edition. If you're serious about speed, precision, and aesthetic, this mouse might just be your next secret weapon. Let's start with what immediately grabs attention: the weight. Coming in at just 52 grams, this mouse is unbelievably light. Whether you're into flick shots in Valorant or micro adjustments in CS2, the X2H Mini gives you that edge almost like it's floating under your fingertips. The symmetrical shape is perfect for fingertip and claw grip users, and it's crafted for those who want complete control with minimal drag. Under the hood, it's powered by the legendary Pixar PAW3395 sensor capable of tracking up to 26,000 dpi with buttery smooth precision. No spinouts, no acceleration, no compromises. Every shot you take is tracked with exactitude, and when milliseconds matter, this can be the difference between clutch and collapse. And the clicks forget mushy buttons. The X2H Mini features optical switches, meaning zero bounce delay and a crisp, consistent feel every time you press. They're durable, too, rated for 80 million clicks, so this mouse is here for the long haul. Connectivity is also on point. You've got ultra-stable 2.4 GHz wireless with almost zero latency, just like wired, but without the drag. It charges via USB-C and holds its charge for days thanks to the efficient internal battery. Pair that with its 1000 Hz polling rate, and you've got a mouse that's ready to dominate any tournament. But the coolest part: this limited red edition isn't just a colorway, it's a statement. A bold, aggressive look that stands out on any setup without screaming for attention. Minimalist, but fierce. So who is this mouse for? If you want the lightest gear, the fastest sensor, pro-grade accuracy, and a look that turns heads, the Pulsar X2H Mini is your go-to. Whether you're grinding ranked or streaming to thousands, this is a mouse that won't let you down. If you're ready to level up, hit that link below to grab your Pulsar X2H Mini. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more daily tech reviews, and stay locked in because the best gear is just a click away.